Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's YouTube video we're on another ride. I'm not quite sure which one this is, but it's a small little children's boat ride, and it's all outdoors. It's beautiful. Welcome to the enchanting world of storybook classics. So let's see which storybook classic this next one is then. What's this one? Rapunzel!
Yeah.
There's Rapunzel's tower.
Okay.
That's a little there, that train there. That's a little train roller coaster. Oh, ducks are in here with us.
Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel and Gretel here.
Oh, Little Mermaid.
Huh? Oh yeah. That little there, that's like a little train roller coaster. It's like Big Thunder Mountain. Oh, there it is, the train roller coaster. We're going on that next, I think. You guys are saying. Ride has stopped. There's like a book next to the story to tell us which it is. I don't know what that is either. Anyone tell us?
A loop.
Now this is, I'm not quite sure what that one is. Where's the book? Where's it gone? Guys. No, there's no job. Don't tell him that, Mum. Oh, Aladdin.
Oh yeah, Aladdin.
I think we're going
Oh, we're
into
going
Aladdin
inside the
soon.
cave in Aladdin.
Oh, yeah.
Cave. This is where the drop is. You ready? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, look at all the gems inside the cave.
The genie lamp.
Merci de garder les enfants assis correctement dans les bateaux, s'il vous plaît. Please keep your children seated correctly inside the boat. Gardez les enfants assis correctement dans les bateaux, s'il vous plaît. Please keep your children seated inside the boat.
Oopsies. Someone's not.
Oh, it's out in the sun.
Sword in the stone. What's this?
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast here.
There's Belle, look, on the fountain. The Belle and the Belle. Belle and the Belle.
There's Belle set at the fountain.
And what the last one is.
Where's the like big castle? Is that it? There's the Beauty and the Beast castle up there, guys. Oh, what's this one?
Wizard of Oz.
Alright, the Wizard of Oz there, guys. Oh, there's the trick. Ooh, I've got the fun.
Right, you've got to get ready to get off.
Yeah, right. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Bye, guys.